Hi there, students. A Précis. Précis. Okay, a précis is just a short summary of a piece of writing, particularly a text, a concise summary of a book or an article or an abstract from a journal or something like that. Okay, a précis. Yeah, a short form of a text that only gives the important salient points. So, I've given all of you a précis of the report so that you don't have to read through all of it and you know the salient points. To make a précis, to give a précis. You can also use it as a verb. Would you like me to précis his words? He said no, he won't do it. Okay, a précis is a good way of explaining something to somebody in a short few words, a synopsis. You can make a précis of a speech as well. You sum it up, you outline it, you resume it, yeah? You abridge and condense it until it's something quite small. Okay, so a short written or spoken version of something which gives all of the important things but not all of the little details. So I sent a précis of my book to various different publishers to see if there was any interest. Okay, so a précis. I always remember they used to make us write précis at school, and I was really bad at it. Yeah, the teacher would say, "Okay, here's a text. I want you all to précis this," and my heart would sink. Oh God, here comes another fail if I ever saw one. Okay, so a précis, to précis something. Notice, let's see, should you have the accent on the E? Probably yes. To be absolutely precise and exact, you ought to put the accent, but well, you can miss it out if you want. I think maybe it's just being a little bit posh to include it. Yeah. So yeah, I précis 17 pages into one short paragraph. Yeah, I condensed it. I wrote a synopsis. I boiled it down. I abridged it. Okay, yeah, so you need to write a précis distillation of everything that he has said. Yeah, I guess a reporter goes to a speech or an event and then writes a précis of what's happened. Normally a précis, though, it's reducing the words of what somebody said. It's a concise, abridged statement of everything that is there. Or that was said. This word has been borrowed directly from French. I would probably give it something like 7 in formality. I think it's a posh word for a summary. Maybe 6.5. Yeah, I wouldn't use this in an informal conversation. I can hear people saying, "Do what?" So semi-formal conversation or above, I think it's particularly within a literary or an English literature or English language context. And then as to origin, it comes directly from French, précis, meaning a summary, from précise, exact, accurate. Yeah. Um, close together. Yeah. Okay, so a précis. Yeah, just a summary. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. You could write a précis of the video in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Précis.